Hi, I'm Mary Frances Griffith, and I used to work on these switchboards. I'm just going to briefly explain to you how we put up the telephone calls. When a customer would dial they would dial the operator for service if they wanted a long distance call or if they wanted directory assistance. And say the lights would light up here, and when they would light up, we would answer them. We would say, "May I help you?" And they would tell us what city they wanted to call and who they wanted to talk to if it was a person call. We would fill out this ticket. We would have the number that they called on here, and we would have their number on here. We would write the time of the day, whatever, and then we would say the call was to Gainesville. We would plug here, and then we would ring for the Gainesville operator. And when she come on the line, we would tell her what number we wanted. Or in some cases, we could dial the number ourselves. When both lights went out, when both lights were on, we would close our key, we would put the ticket in. This is a calculograph, which is the same as a clock. We would stamp it, and we would put it in the slot, and then it's got something in there. And then when they were through talking, we would take it back out. When the lights came on, we would know they had hung up, and we would stamp the clock this way, and that would stamp the time on the back of it, whether it be a few seconds or an hour, it would be on there. And when both lights were on, we would take the plugs back out, and there was all these different cities that we could call to. Say, like if it was to Pittsburgh, we would have to go on a Jacksonville circuit and tell the operator that we wanted Pittsburgh, and then she would connect us. If the customer called and if they called information, if they called information, these lights would light up down here, and we would answer them. And if they say they wanted Dr. Hensley's office number, we would look it up for them in the directory assistance file, and we would give them the number. If it had a red tag on it, like this one does, it would mean it's a non-published number, and we could not give that number out to anyone.